Hey, we are talking about offices this week. So, okay, the new property manager for my office is sending handymen and technicians to the building during my clinical hours, and several of my sessions have been interrupted for things like cleaning out the air filters and checking the vents. I emailed the property management group a reminder that building checks need to go through me first for HIPAA reasons, but is that enough? I'd like to thank TherapyNotes for sponsoring us. That is really rough. Emailing them, I think, is one of the best things you can do because you have it in writing. You can also bury them in a bunch of business associate agreements and tell them that they can't have any worker who hasn't signed it enter your workspace, even your waiting room, during work hours. I've been really I've also been very explicit, I guess is the best word to use, with this problem with someone knocking on the door for a quick filter change. So if the property manager hasn't been to therapy, they might not be putting themselves in the shoes of your clients. You could say something like, in any given hour, I could be listening to someone sharing about being molested for the first time in their life. Someone could be mid-sentence disclosing the most shameful act they've ever done when somebody knocks on the door. A couple could be in the middle of a conversation that will determine if they're going to get divorced or not. My sessions being interrupted for maintenance not only impacts my client's confidentiality, it can impact the hard work they've been doing for months or years. I'm really happy to schedule time with maintenance for them to get these things done. And with 24 hours notice, I can tell you when I plan to take lunch and the times that I'm available before and after clients. I'd be just really resolute, not apologetic in any way, shape, or form. Show up as your most assertive self and stand for your clients. Like, this is an area where you're basically having to do some advocacy work because it's unacceptable on a number of levels, including what you brought up with HIPAA. I hope that helps. If you need any other help with other kinds of potentially awkward conversations, we have business-related scripts in the What to Say When course in the Abundance Party. That's over at abundanceparty.com. And if you have questions, you can shoot me an email, and I'm happy to answer them here. It's ask@abundancepracticebuilding.com. Thanks so much.